Logitech MX Creative Console Review. 9 LCD keys plus dial that will blow your workflow. Ever feel trapped in tedious creative workflows, endlessly hunting for shortcuts, fumbling through menus, or switching between apps? Your workflow feels like a maze, and your focus keeps breaking. Hours slip away while frustration builds, creativity stalls, and projects pile up. You deserve tools that free your mind, streamline actions, and let your ideas flow naturally without the chaos. Deadlines are looming, your energy is drained, and your workflow feels like a ticking time bomb. Every missed click, lost shortcut, or tiny adjustment eats away at your productivity. The stress mounts, burnout creeps in, and opportunities slip through your fingers. Without precise tools, even small tasks feel monumental. Your creative output deserves speed, control, and effortless mastery. Enter the Logitech MX Creative Console, a workflow game changer. This compact powerhouse combines 9 customizable LCD keys, a tactile control dial, and multi-app integration for Adobe Photoshop, Premiere, Illustrator, Zoom, Spotify, and more. Quickly assign shortcuts, macros, and app actions across 15 pages. Even upload custom icons for instant recognition. The included 3-month Adobe Creative Cloud membership elevates your projects immediately. Imagine scrubbing through footage with the dial while instantly adjusting brush size in Photoshop. One creator said, "I shaved hours off my weekly editing in the first day." Backlit keys ensure night sessions stay stress-free, while USB-C plug-and-play setup means 0 driver headaches. No more fumbling menus or losing your flow. The MX Creative Console transforms every click into precise, intuitive, and lightning-fast action, letting your creative energy run wild. Why are professionals, influencers, and creatives raving about the MX Creative Console? Reviews highlight streamlined workflows, laser-sharp precision, and next-level efficiency. Creative tech analysts call it a must-have for Adobe users, noting how the tactile dial and LCD keys reduce menu diving. Video editors share they've cut editing time by 30%, while streamers swear by effortless scene switching and audio adjustments. Users praise the ergonomic graphite design, plug-and-play simplicity, and customizable keys that adapt to any workflow. Imagine controlling Photoshop, Premiere, Lightroom, and even Spotify from a single desk-side hub. No more alt-tabbing or lost focus. Curious why it feels like the console anticipates your every move? One designer exclaimed, "Instant artboard switching and timeline control save my sanity during a crunch." From late-night edits to marathon creative sessions, the MX console ensures precise, confident actions in every click, swipe, and dial. Its compact footprint, software depth, and integrated Adobe membership make it a complete creative accelerator, trusted by professionals and hobbyists alike. Don't let slow workflows or lost focus hold you back. Grab the Logitech MX Creative Console now. Limited stock is moving fast. Join thousands of designers, editors, and creators who've transformed their efficiency and creative output. Act today, secure yours, and instantly elevate your Adobe projects, streaming setup, and daily productivity. Don't wait. This is your chance to reclaim control, boost precision, and make every click count. Creativity waits for no one.